Hey everybody, welcome back. I am excited because I have been sick for the past week and I'm just getting back up to strength. And I cleaned my studio out, so I'm feeling fresh and I'm feeling like starting something new. So today we're just going to do some painting and let's get started. So today we're going to use my favorite collage pad. This is uh, definitely one of my favorite pads because I've done so much experimenting in here. But today we're just going to do something very random. I have no idea what I'm going to do, but we're going to do something. I do know that we're going to use my favorite palette, which is the red and green. I'm going to throw some yellow in there. And I have this beautiful off-white that I absolutely love. It's a little watery, but uh, it's pretty nice. So I plan on just being very random and messy today, right? So I'm just going to rub some paint in here. Uh, this can come out the tube. Never know what's going to happen. Wow. Paint is dry. Oh, there's something in there. Okay, there we go. I'm just gonna, I'm just playing around. So I have no idea what's going on. All right. I have no plan. I just know that I feel like playing. So sometimes it's like that. Let's see what happens with the yellow. Ooh, okay, much better. Okay, folks, I think I'm at the end of the road with this piece. Let me show you. I like it, but I think this is just more like a warm up piece. I actually have a solo show coming up next year, and I'm just getting back into the swing of things of just like painting every day and getting back into my rhythm. So I hope I found my rhythm. I believe I did, and you're going to be seeing much more of this type of work as I build up for my solo show. So I'll definitely talk to you guys more about that later in another video. But for now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please like, comment, and share. And don't forget, get out there, create something, and make the world a beautiful place. I love you all. Yahweh bless.